Guys, time for me to go to the mall. And guys, guess what I just figured out? There are more boys than girls on this earth. That's the worst. Dad! Are you gonna be a part of my video? Are you gonna be a part of my video? My dad's right there. He also has a YouTube channel. Evie, come. Where's the other one? You don't know? Evie, come here. You want to wear these? You want to wear pink? Come. Evie, come. Mama. Okay. Evie, hold on. Let me help you get some. Oh, here it is. Hey, Nani, come on and put your shoes on. Hey, guys. You want to put these ones? They're so cute. And guys, I'll tag my dad. I'll write my dad's name. I'll write my dad's. Oh, Evie, this is way too big, Nani. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's too big.
That's big.
Yeah, it's too big. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. Hey, calm down. Your shoes are in the car. She throws tantrums about everything. See? Dad, those don't fit. They don't fit her. They are way too big. So I'm just waiting.
Nasty and stop.
That was so stupid. Mom, are you listening to Sabrina? Oh. My sister got something for her birthday, like a couple months ago. March. They got her this tea set thingy. Guess what it come with? A pink wafer. I'm wearing pink. Pink, pink, pink. My whole outfit's pink. Even my keychain on my phone is pink. Hello Kitty, by the way. Hello Kitty. Today's outfit's pink. I got some black shoes. And I also have a pink Labubu. Here's my Labubu. I'm gonna put her on my phone, but I don't know how though. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Abby, turn the water faucet off. Let's see.
Turn it off.
Okay, I got my little boo-boo.
Turn it off.
Okay, I got my little boo-boo right here. My little boo-boo. The boo-boo. There she is. You guys can't really see her, but I got my little boo-boo. It was the My Melody one, the new one that just released. And guys. Abby, it's okay. Come here. Oh, Nani. She got her. It's okay. It's okay. She is coming. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, Nani. I'm pretty sure she hit her chin, like on the water, when she was trying to turn off the water. She probably has a knot, probably.
What?
She keeps on getting hurt. She gets hurt like mostly every day. She gets hurt every day, not gonna lie. And by the way, most of the time, we have this whole box of cookies filled every week. And we have a puppy in here. Sophie, come here, girl. See, this is a Sophie. This is Sophie. She's the baby. She's the baby. She's 2, but she's 2 in dog years, 8 in human years. She's the same age as me, because I'm 8. And guys, happy 4th of July. Today, I'm gonna hang out with my friends, I think, maybe they might hang out with us. We're gonna have poppets, and we're also gonna have some water balloons. Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. But my 2 other friends aren't here, so I'm sad. But my sister's coming Monday, and yeah, and I'll make a video with her. So, and guys, I might be online most of the time on Monday. So check out my TikTok. Actually, no. I don't really use TikTok. I only use TikTok on my iPad. Because there's something wrong with my phone right now, to the point where I can't even update apps. Or I can't even download anything. Mom, why can I not put this in my room? It would be so cute for my extra clothes.
It's for blankets.
Well, we can use it for other things. Everybody be creative. So guys, I have so much clothes, and I can use this to hang up my clothes. It's cute. But I could paint it like purple. Or I could paint it pink to match my theme of my room. But my favorite color is purple, but I'm wearing pink because today's outfit choice is pink. So yeah. And guys, I'm not only eating pink, just my outfit and my cute Cinnamon Labubu's pink. So I have enough also. I have two real Labubus. Oh, here's my one. Let me fill out my pink one, but this is really the only choice I had. Salina. Me and my mom love Salina. And guys, as you know, my name is Addison. And if you guys are new, my name is Addison. And yeah. Okay, I have a little bit of water in here. Now let me.
Eat these 2 little cookies.
But I don't want it. I don't want no cookies on that. I might get a Smushers today, guys. Because my dad's probably going to come. I really want to get a Smushers, so I hope my wish comes true to get the Smushers. Let me sit you guys down. Why is this sticky? I don't like that. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to do this. Because guys, it's sticky and I don't like that. I got my Awala. And I'm gonna tag my,
Is this you?
one.
Yeah, I just poured those other 2 in the coffee.
Okay, I'm gonna tag my dad. I'm gonna write my dad's name for his YouTube channel in my comments. So yeah, my dad's also, he's new. So yeah, he does gaming videos. I just do random videos like that. And don't forget to cash at me. for me to get maybe a Smushers if they have it, because I hope they do. Because the last time, Mom, they had 2 whole cases of them. They had 2 whole cases of real life Smushers. And I really like Smushers. But I never felt one before. Unless I only felt the one in the package. But I see them all the time on my TikTok page. Well, check out my TikTok page and my...
Shut this door.
Okay, so... Ivan. Okay. Here's your water bottle down. You left it in here, and I'll just set that right there, I guess. Okay, so yeah. Where could I set my phone at? I'm just gonna set it right here. What should I do? Okay. Hey, my little boo-boo's holding my phone. Hey, that was a good thing to do. Seatbelt on. We're gonna... I'm pretty sure... Aren't we heading to the mall and then we're going to the commissary?
I don't know if the commissary's open.
Yeah, maybe not. Some things are...
Yeah, that's gonna fall.
Some places are open, some places aren't. Why is it so hot? We always have very good views. There's so many mountains here. We didn't pause and there's not that many mountains in the Big Island.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wait, was the Big Island the starting of Hawaii? Then why did some people call it Hawaii? Even though it's actually called the Big Island. That's where isn't that where Paul's from? Or, wait, no. Paul's from North Carolina, but...
One of them, really cool. Hey, babe. Someone posted on the AMR page that someone did a bounce house rental.
It's crazy. I was just looking at it.
Do you want to offer it and just say, yeah, y'all can rent it, just $60, come get it. If you come get it and bring it back, and do you think you should? I think you should.
I
Or you think I should turn around and then like, hey, I can bring it to you and drop it off, just so we know where they're living at. We haven't left yet. I haven't even got onto the highway. Message them. Right quick.
Wait, now which mall are we going to?
Huh?
Which mall are we going to?
Kahala. Why?
Because the Pearl City Mall was the one with the Smishers. But we can still check. It's still early. We can check if Kahala has anything. Because I think our things they usually have. If they don't have really anything, can we go to the Pearl City?
You said 6 hours?
What do you think, dude? Do you do like what? Huh?
I think it'd be fine. Because they maybe already paid $300, which sucks.
Yeah.
Or do you think we should just let it work?
No.
Till they can pick it up? What you think?
I don't know.
I just know it sucks they've already paid $300 for a bounce house.
Dad, don't you need to get the window replaced?
What you think, babe?
I think because they've already paid it, that's the reason why. Like, hey,
Okay. By the way,
That's the only reason I say maybe
let me tell you a story. Me and my parents,
but my thing is,
we
it's
were
like,
driving down the highway, and a rock
I'm thinking,
came out of nowhere. Correct.
$60 and I'll come and deliver.
My mom said that water was like coming out of it a little. That's the whole crack. That's it. But.
That's the reason why we're not charging $100 or $300 or nothing like that. You know,
What's
I
it?
mean, we got it because we need to make money off of it. You know, that's my thing.
So you want to deliver it?
I mean, I can, tell them I'll deliver and come get it.
Do you know what he's going to deliver?
Huh? Unless you want to do 80 and I'll come drop it off and deliver and pick it up.
Wait, we're getting another bounce house. Or just renting it.
Yeah, renting it or something.
Can I see the bounce house?
Yeah, it's our bounce house.
She said, yeah,
Yeah, how much did you tell me?
80.
Where? The water one?
No.
The regular one?
Yeah.
Why don't we just sell that one?
She don't understand how big that mug is.
I told her it's a 13 by 13.
It's big. I mean, unless he wants to come and help me lift that mug, he's more than welcome to.
She said, you can come now.
Yeah, I'm turning back into the neighborhood now. I gotta get Addison.
She said, if we can just pick it up tomorrow.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm not in no rush to get it back. My thing is drop. I want to know where we drop it off at. You see, not saying that I don't want to sit here and I blame people or anything like that. It's just a simple fact. It's going to be our luck. I can make a post like, oh, hey, can you do it? I can come get it, to save costs. I'll give you $100, then give you $100. And because it's us, we don't have a contract. We don't, it's like, oh, I'll take a picture of your ID. Everything like this. You see what I'm saying? It's just easy. Well, I'm going to have you help me lift this mug, though. Why is this thing not charging? Okay. Alright, man. Yeah, just ask her, okay. We're in Red Hills. Okay. Yeah, I just seen that. Okay. Since they're in Red Hills, I don't care about them keeping it overnight or nothing. See, like, that's my thing. It's like, hey, I want to know where you're at so I can kind of have a rough idea, like, okay, yeah. Alright, tell her we can load it up and bring it to her.
I told her she should be there in the next 3 weeks.
Okay, come help me right quick. Love you.
Okay, so guys, we might be going to Pro City. And yeah. If they don't have anything at Pro City, then I'll probably just go to like Claire's and get something there. So yeah, I really like Smushers. I like. Hi, Nani. Hi. High five. You would high five. We're at my house. We're back at my house because I was renting our water slide thing. So yeah. You're so handsome. Let's see what happens if I put hands on and try to show my little baby's face. I don't think I put enough. Okay, that's good. That's a good paint. Guys, I also have something. Hold on, let me turn it on. Bing! Everybody, good party! Party! I have a flashlight thingy. Blue flash. See, it's a flashlight. See? You guys can't really see it though, but it's a flashlight thing. It's a flashlight. Can you guys see the blue right there? Yeah, you guys probably can't, but I can. Wait, I can actually see the blue. Can I see my blue? And by the way, oh, I have this. Never mind. Because I need to get me my new binder thing from. I need to get. Oh my fun! Bro, did I really just drop it again? Oh. Oh. fine. I love this game. I always play this at my cousin's house. Well, technically not at my cousin's house, but at my Aunt Sonia's house because my cousin is there. Mostly every time I'm there, my cousin's there. My main cousin, Akaden. It's cool. It messes up my brain, but it's cool. It gets me confused sometimes. Abby, wait, we're not leaving. Oh! I cannot even see the car. I can barely see the back of the trunk. Guys, look at that. That's the bounce house we have. Bing. Light up, better eat it. Okay, guys, come back for part 2 when we actually get to the mall. Okay, bye, guys. Wait, I'll be back in I'll be back in a couple minutes. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Love you. See you in part 2.